Hi guys, welcome to another segment of Legal Friday with me, Francine. So I thought today I would talk to you about a really important topic, I think. Over the last few weeks, I could tell some of you were interested in publishing, some of you aren't. We will continue to have more programming on publishing. Some of you are interested in intellectual property, some of you are not. Okay. Some of you are interested in estate planning, and many of you are not, which actually is such a surprise because that is a topic that I think everyone should be interested in. But whether you are or you aren't, that's a choice you get to make. But this is a topic that I think if you are not choosing to be interested in it, I think really you might want to rethink that, especially as you come up to the end of the year. And that's the topic of tax planning. I am not a tax lawyer, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail, although through my estate planning practice, I have pretty much stayed up on top of a lot of tax law issues, but I'm not a tax lawyer. But for that reason, what I will say to you is this. You might want to have a conversation with your CPA ASAP. You might want to consider scheduling a call this coming week, if at all possible, and if not this coming week, next week. Because what you might want to start thinking about is with some of the tax changes that are on the horizon, and some of them are and some of them aren't. Some of the proposals are just that, but there's some things that definitely are about to change. And I think you might want to have a conversation with your CPA or your tax lawyer to find out what you need to do before the end of the year. Some of those things might involve gift giving. Some of them might involve, your charitable contribution. Some of them might involve deductions. Some of them might involve whether you take itemized deductions for the next coming year or whether you take the standard deduction. And in fact, whether they will still both be available. Those are questions that you want to have with your tax preparer. So I'm not going to belabor this call, but I am going to say again, I strongly encourage you to have that conversation. Don't find yourself at the beginning of 2022 when it might be too late to make any quick decisions. It might be too late to make decisions. It's simple as that. Whereas you've got this month of December to go ahead and do some of the things that you might need to do to get yourself in a position that is most favorable to you and your family. Okay, that's it for now. I'm Francine. This is Legal Friday with me, Francine. Again, I encourage you to do that. Call, scream, do a Western Union communication. Any way you can get to your CPA or your tax lawyer, I would encourage you to do that for this week. Okay, this is Francine. Legal Friday with me, Francine. Have a great weekend, guys. Until next week, bye-bye.